Okay, so here's what I'm thinking. All right, you're holding the cord for the board.
I go to the other side of you?
How about it? Well, lean the board back against the table. Okay, now we both are going to spin it. Ready? Okay, now back. Now turn that board up. Oh boy, that was kind of quality. Okay, Jeannie, you remember that lump that we had? Well, over here, it isn't here anymore.
Look what you've done. Oh, it's nice and smooth.
Is it?
Good job.
Isn't it amazing that that just small amount of,
Lump.
you know, just a small amount of wood.
Oh
It was
yeah,
just
and
a
it
little
lifted
bit.
the glass so much.
Yeah.
Oh, much better. Good job, my dear.
Haha.
I'm just putting pieces of poster board together so that I can draw the pattern for our fourth and final airport window.
Okay. So then do you flip it over so that you don't have to trace on the tape?
Yeah.
Alright.
It's not very fun right now.
Well,
There, all good. Okay, so I'm going to get some carbon paper to put down, and then I'll put the pattern on top of that. I am numbering this guy now, so I've got almost around all of the edge. I am up to 66 pieces,
okay.
and that's the border, so it's going to be, maybe 70 pieces around. And then I'll start in the middle, this little mama and baby bird and all of the fronds and cattails and our beautiful sky. So it's getting there little by little.
So you do have the carbon paper, I see, underneath there.
Yeah, I've got some poster board and then some carbon paper and then our cartoon, and I'm just tracing through, and that's what's going to make my pattern pieces. And then I'll just sit and cut away on those little pattern pieces.
All right, that's kind of cool. Well, I just thought it would be interesting to document each of the steps.
All right.
And one of the important things that you do when you put the carbon paper under is that you don't get it upside down.
Yes, we speak from experience. That's sad when you trace the whole window and pull it up and there's nothing there.
That's right.
Well, thanks for being with us, and thank you so much for being a part of this project, for tuning in and wondering how it's going. I just appreciate you wondering about when this project is going to be done. And this is the third of 4. This is the Papa Crane, and it is all ready to go to get tempered glass on both sides. And then this one is the 4th one and last one. It's been a few months getting to this point, and I am so excited. It's the Mama Crane and her little baby, and I'm pretty close. I only have about this much right here to solder. This is just the first side, so I will be turning this over, not by myself by any means, with David, and sometimes we've had help. We even had a neighbor who was passing by, and we kind of said, "Come here a minute, can you help us turn this over?" So that, because they're big and kind of just, you know, everything goes well. Every time we've turned one over, it's been just fine. But still, my breath is caught in my heart, and I held my breath every time, because the least little tweak, and man, there's a crack. So cross your fingers for us as we get these all installed. And don't worry, we will show you when they're all installed, because it's been a process, and I just have loved every minute of it. So thanks for being with us.